Pub quiz. What follows after this page?
Let's get started.
Next page. And with chili
Here
con
we
carne.
go.
Perfect for a cold day.
I'm
Which
getting
today actually
hungry.
is. It's raining outside. Grind the meat. Spin the Joy-Con to turn the handle. Don't go too fast or the handle will fall
Let's
off. Press
go.
the button to replace the handle. Alright. I think we did something similar to that, if not the very exact same thing. So,
Ready? Get set.
I'm a confident
go.
spinner. Holy fuck. Even though I
Slow down.
do this way, it spins the other way.
Keep it
Like
up.
usually I experienced that would be too fast. No, like just now, but I mean too slow. I think what I do now is too slow because we will not finish in time.
Come
I
on,
need to
you can do
increase the pace,
No,
but
that's
not
too
that
fast.
much. Okay, this is
Doing
actually
great.
pretty hard.
Hurry.
To get a good timing there, and I think for the first time
Looking
ever,
good.
we beat the time here in
It's perfect.
this
Mama's
meat
impressed.
maker machine out of meat. I don't know. Reformer. Okay. Next step, slice the vegetables. I believe by now we are hell of a slice, huh?
Ready? Get set.
Alright.
go.
We slice them. Oh, onions. Boom, boom. Boom in half. Boom in, yeah, boom the skin away. And boom! And now we boom it in a small, cubes? Do you say that? Squares?
Here you go.
Garlic. Oh, crushing it and cutting it.
Almost there.
Oh, we have one more and half of the time, so I believe we are
Last
very
one.
good. Oh, chili. I think it's the first time we had chili here. Oops, I'm sorry.
Hurry up.
Woo! Luckily, the last dish we did not need to pour
Whoa,
into
you are the real
a bowl
hero.
for whatever reason. Me no get it, but okay. I guess I don't have to. Next, we fry the shit. Ooh.
Ready? Get
We all
set,
remember
go.
my frying skills. A, B.
What
Uh-huh.
are you doing?
Why did it say, what are you
You
doing?
can do it.
Where did I go wrong? 1, 2, 3. Oh, is that it? Wow. But even though I made it in a
Better than
timing
mine.
they wanted to, it was actually genuinely difficult.
Let's get started.
Like, not easy at all.
Ready? Get
Anyhow.
set, go.
Let me open this stupid can. Up, down, up, down, up. Oh, I'm too fast. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to be too fast. I need to find a technique for that. Oh, that was almost too far.
Another one.
I shouldn't look at the can. I should look at the bar below. Boom,
Don't
boom,
give
boom,
up.
boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I'm doing exactly like that, but you don't want me to do.
Hurry up.
Set.
Look at that.
I don't understand. I literally don't
Just
understand
one
this.
more.
I'm doing up and down like they asked me, but then I'm
Time's
too
up.
fast. Like I don't know what I'm even supposed to do. Like really, no idea.
Well done.
Ah, when will I ever open a can? Or all three of them? Never. I disappointed my grandma. Next step, rinse the beans. Use the Joy-Con to
I'm
shake the
getting
ingredients.
hungry.
Oh,
Ready?
I
Get
shake my thing
set,
every single
go.
day, so I believe I know I do not. no. I hate the comments already. No, I'm not doing. Ah, that was very bad timing. I think the beans are doing quite well.
Come on, you can do it.
So apparently chili with beans is not a real chili.
Hurry.
What do you guys think? Hey, shake! What do I have to do? My Joy-Con disconnected. That's me. Holy fuck, if I would have lost that because of a Joy-Con disconnection,
Very
I would
nice.
have lost it. Alright. Sorry, ASMR. Next step, stew with spices. Follow ingredients to cook the. Follow instructions to cook ingredients.
Ready?
Makes
Get
more sense
set,
that way.
go.
Stir when needed. Tomato sauce with stir fry. Alright. Let me do that. Let me do that. Medium, 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 medium.
Wow.
I was there first. I was there first. At bullshit.
Spectacular.
Woohoo! We added and we stir the heck out of it.
That's
Oh
it.
yeah, but not too much. We learned we can also
That's skill.
squeeze too much. So I believe we can
Great
stir too
job.
much technically. So we want to avoid that
Amazing.
and really only
Perfect.
do as much as needed. Stir till now. Perfect. We add. I believe it's
Spectacular.
black pepper exactly. Stir, stir, stir. Wow,
Look at
that's
that.
one hell of a chili con carne.
I think you should have your own game.
So do I. And last but not least, we're taking a picture of our chili con carne.
Let's get it
Ooh.
ready to share.
Oh, tortilla chips. You eat that with tortilla chips? That's actually great. I love that. Here,
Awesome.
there you go. No tortilla chips for us. The setting is actually chili con carne. I think it's a diner's
Thanks for the
dish.
gram.
And I want fork and knife to be seen
Perfect.
exactly. I like this one.
I
most.
love it.
No
very
sticker,
nice.
as always. We are not Insta bitches. We are Insta famous. Alright, because of the can
Ooh,
and the
Mama's happy
bean.
for
Oh,
you.
the beans only gave me 2 stars? Like the rinsing? Holy damn.
You got a new recipe.
I didn't even know that. Anyhow, Mason jar key lime pie. Is that like a Chinese name translated? That's Mason jar key lime pie.
Let's go.
Stupid. I'm not sure whether to eat or drink
Let's
it.
get started.
Me neither. Smash the gram. What is gram? Prepare the ingredient by panning and make sure to cover the entire area. Gram. Is it gram dwarf?
Ready?
Hey gram.
Get set, go.
Is that
That's it.
speculatius? Oh shit. That's actually
That's skill.
set skill or that skill or soft skill or set skill or what do you mean by such skill?
Great job.
Thanks.
You can do it.
There you go. Usually that's very
Amazing.
easy to master all
Wow.
these things, but now it's a little trickier
Perfect.
because you have to be pretty spot on, but actually no, it's not difficult whatsoever. I'm sorry, I take it
Looks
back.
delicious. Mama's Jerry.
Mama's Jerry. I picked your cherry years ago. Yeah, Asian will understand. Next step, collect the crust ingredients. Crust
Let's go.
ingredients. Add ingredients are the bottom of the button. Okay. Move the left stick. You have to move the
Ready?
stick left to right to
Get
measure the
set,
grams.
go.
Oh, that's that. Graham cracker crumbles. We need 500 grams. 1 pound, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Fuckers. I
Sugoi.
love with it.
Here you
Perfect. We need
go.
sugar. 70 gram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 70 gram.
Great.
In.
Don't give up.
And last but not
Almost
least,
done.
soft butter. 70 grams. How much is that now? 7. Go
Hurry.
for it.
That's it.
Perfect it is. Awesome.
Wow, even better than Mama.
Even better than Mama. Why do I doubt that? But anyhow. Next step, mix key fly. And ingredients when mixing the blah 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 blah. We mix things. Blah 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 blah. I don't care
Ready?
about we mix
Get
things.
set,
Add ingredients at low
go.
speed. Oh, that's that thing. Cream cheese. When do we add cream cheese? Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. Ima. Now,
Look
now,
at
now.
that.
Condensed milk. Thanks.
Another one.
Wow. Wow. Oh, hey, 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 hey.
Sugoi.
Lime juice. What if you
Here
miss
you
timing?
go.
Now! Oh, that would be totally splooged.
Perfect.
Green dye.
Almost there. Last
I like how
one.
they cook with colors.
Great
I
job.
should do that too. I should make a yellow, whitish vanilla
Hooray,
cream.
Mama's
Does
impressed.
that make sense? No, I should totally make a blue vanilla ice cream. How could did that? Next step, put in the crust. Is that really a crust? Put ingredients into the oh, it's those crusts, those chips thingies, the grams. Oh, okay, don't pour too much. Don't worry about it.
Ready? Get
Pour the
set,
right
go.
amount.
Come on, you can do it.
More?
Spectacular.
Oh, at
Another
least.
one.
You have to at least cover it blue.
Great.
There we go. All right.
Hurry up.
Didn't
Almost
know that,
done.
didn't know that, didn't know that. Come on, fill it up.
Amazing.
Oh, I filled up that
Time's
hole
up.
pretty well.
Wow, even better than Mama.
Hey. Nice. Next step, pour ingredients into the container using the button to fill up the shower. Don't pour too much. So, because I slightly poured a little bit too
Ready?
much now, I kind of
Get
have to
set,
adjust
go.
it now, don't I? So, pour. Ooh.
Don't give up.
What is this darker thing?
Wow.
Okay, perfect.
Another one.
It really seems I can actually... pour a lot!
Hurry up.
Alright, I don't make it. I cannot
Go.
make it. Go! Fill!
Time's up. Not bad.
I'm a disgrace. Oh dear, I actually hoped I would make it. So we freeze it now, so it's an ice cream,
Ready,
or what are you?
Get set, go.
Alright, open the shit,
Almost there.
inside, close the shit, freeze the shit. I like the sound. I did. I take it out.
Hooray, Mama's impressed.
My voice, correct. My voice never cracks.
I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, it does all the time. Next step, make whipped cream. Oh, that's the delicious part. Finally, we're getting there. Sugar
Ready,
and
get set, go.
whatever that is. Me. Closely. Me. We're mixing sugar and what? Cream? Heavy cream? Milk? Spirits?
You can
I
do
really
it.
have no idea. Yeah, we're gonna let it finish. Phew! That's some lovely whipped cream, and the name whipped cream kinda suggested my sperm idea. Okay, next step, top with whipped cream. No.
Ready, get set,
Move
go.
quickly. What do you mean? Oh.
Great job.
Oh, does it come with distractions too? Huh? Oh, if it's empty, I don't do it. This is not empty, I pour it. Empty, I don't care. Pour.
Such skill.
Thanks. Pour.
You can do it.
Now empty, I guess. Ha! Ooh. Sorry. Luckily, we made one more. Oh, shit.
Wonderful.
Thanks.
Better than Mama.
I'm starting to doubt your mama, seriously. But anyhow. No, we actually didn't do too bad. I
Let's get you ready to
think
share.
89. Let's get some graham crackers, which we already have on the bottom, but can't hurt. What is that? Lime peel? No! Chocolate curl? Yeah! Perfect. Why would I pull a
Beautiful.
lime peel? Mama's kitchen is fine for now, I think. I think picnic.
Fix or it
and
didn't
I think
happen.
Here,
Wow.
here.
You are Insta famous.
Let's see about that. 89 is my score. Your guys' score in the comments. No, anyone doesn't
Wow,
comment.
bravo.
Oh, 90. I was pretty close. 90, but that's not too bad actually. I like 90. Alright, new unlock. Gingham yellow
Let's go.
apron. Okay,
You've got
so
a new
perfect.
recipe.
The new recipe includes beef burrito,
Let's go.
rice, beef, beans, and all wrapped up.
I'm getting
Can't go
hungry.
really wrong with that, can you? Grate the cheese. Alright, we can do that by now.
Ready,
Set,
get
set, go. Slightly move it to left, slightly. Oh wow, this is very what? Sensitive. Ah! No, too much. What cheese is that
Come
too?
on, you
Cheddar
can
cheese?
do it.
Why? Wow, this is hyper sensitive.
Hurry up.
You can't believe how little I touch, or I go left and right. Very delicate.
Whoa, you are the real hero.
Shut up. Prep the avocado. Followed shown. Oh, we actually already prepped an avocado. So this is second time.
Ready?
Mama will guide you. Yeah, I heard only bad things about Mama so far, so don't even bother.
Almost there.
Choose. You don't need that part. We interestingly only use the part where the stone has been. Like, why ever? Who knows? No one does, and ever will.
Ready? Get set,
Set,
go.
go. Avocado. Me. Up. Whee. Cool.
Almost down.
Cut the tomato. They look so ugly. They really do.
Let's get
Alright,
started.
slice the beef. Oh, can we now
Ready?
slice a
Get
cow?
set, go.
No, just the meat. Okay. Thin beef, thin. Front, back, 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 front,
Don't
back,
give
front,
up.
back. I really need to work on my techniques. Yeah, I got too slow. Why the fuck? Cut. Easy.
It's perfect. Mama's impressed.
God, so far we're doing good. No! Open the beans. Why do I need to open the beans?
Ready,
Whose idea is
get
this to
set,
cook with
go.
beans? Up. Okay, that doesn't look bad. Alright, too fast again. Up.
Spectacular. Here you go.
Yeah, there we go. Black beans.
You can do it.
Why? I do exactly as shown.
Hurry. Amazing.
I do
Just
exactly
one
as
more.
shown. Or?
Time's up.
I don't know. I really sincerely don't know. I do exactly as shown. I go
Bobby,
from up to
stop it.
down. I change the angle and stuff just to see what happens. Nothing happens. This sucks. Very bad. Yeah. But what can I do?
Ready? Get
Keep it
set,
moving.
go.
Okay, bitch. Oh,
Don't give up.
keep it moving? I guess I do. Is that good? Woohoo! Easiest job ever. Next step, move the Joy-Con left and right to catch ingredients. Sure, we can do that. As
Ready,
always, we're
get
doing
set,
an
go.
anti-vegetable version. When did we make the dough? Plop,
That's it.
plop, plop. Ew, beans. Ew, corn. Ew, tomato. Ew, avocado. Yeah, man, beef. Jeez,
Shaking my head. Wow.
SMH. She
Perfect.
really does
Look at
SMH.
that.
You can shake your head as much as you want,
Sugona.
bitch. That be
Oh,
my
no.
burrito.
Right? Last
Come
one.
on.
Great.
Did I ruin that? Kind of.
Piece of cake.
Oh, wrap the burrito. Follow the shown gestures using the stick.
Ready? Get set, go.
Follow Mama steps. Left, right, up, A. Cool. Bam, 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 bam.
Come
Bam,
on,
bam.
you can do it.
I already messed up. How can I mess this up? How could anyone ever mess this up? It's not possible.
Let's get it ready to share.
Ooh, hot sauce. Right on top, right on top. Oh, yeah. Now it's a dare challenge. Alright, good. Salsa verde. You go here where you belong, in the trash. And sour cream goes right there, right there. Perfect.
Awesome.
Not too much. For me, that's the perfect amount. Picnic, no diner. This is a... Who poured that chocolate
Take
here?
a photo of your dish.
You can tell me what to do.
Looks delicious. I love it.
Because I splooshed quite a lot. I sploosh here. Okay. 85.
Good. Mama's happy for you.
Oh, Nani? Nani?
You got a new recipe. Oh.
Nani? We didn't do as well today as I was hoping I would be doing. The other 3 recipes we're gonna do tomorrow. 6 o'clock as always, be ready. Tomorrow more excitement, I promise. See you then. Bye.